Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore the QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the end of October 2024, our system has categorized QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.69. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's expectations, achieving a gain of 0.45%. This results in an average return of 0.15% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increase within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 9.41% over the coming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 7.24% to 13.20%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 24.46% over the next year, with projected returns between 18.05% and 37.68%. This would correspond to a price range of approximately $573.75 to $669.15 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ features the headline, Red Day on Monday for QQQ. On the last trading day, the QQQ ETF experienced a decline of 0.291%, dropping from $487.43 to $486.01. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.06%, reaching a low of $484.25 and a high of $489.38. Although the price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it remains down by 1.9% for this period. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the ETF's price, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume typically follows price trends. On the last day, trading volume fell by 12 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares exchanged for approximately $10.5 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest stood at $366.91. Currently, the price is 3.48%, or $17.51, below the 52-week high of $503.52, and which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding QQQ indicate a potentially bullish outlook for the technology exchange-traded fund in the upcoming months. The focus on reshoring, driven by political agendas ahead of the elections, could positively influence U.S. manufacturing and, by extension, technology firms linked to increased domestic production. As both major parties emphasize this initiative, investors may find renewed confidence in tech companies positioned to benefit from this trend. In addition, the recent third-quarter earnings reports from big tech have kept investor attention keen, as strong performance could spur further investment in QQQ. The changing dynamics in interest rates also play a crucial role. Higher federal funds rates may be advantageous for tech firms with significant cash reserves, enhancing their capacity to yield returns on investments. Generative artificial intelligence funding continues to rise, with substantial investments likely to fuel innovation within the sector, benefiting companies associated with QQQ. Meanwhile, as we approach the election, market volatility is anticipated, presenting a typical challenge. However, believers in the bull market narrative may see this as a buying opportunity, expecting tech stocks to prevail in a post-election economic landscape. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The QQQ exchange-traded fund is indicating sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the price levels of $492.30, as well as $488.38. A breakout above either of these points will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, and to this point, it has declined by 2.83%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price on the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 16 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 37 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 240 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $481.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. In the past day, the ETF moved $5.13 between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 1.06%. Over the last week, the ETF's daily average volatility has been 1.28%. Before we explore potential trading levels for QQQ, let's review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This key metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there are low expectations for the company's future or that the stock could be undervalued, which might indicate a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $488.36. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $481.27. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the QQQ exchange-traded fund a good investment? The QQQ ETF shows several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that the QQQ will likely underperform in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this ETF is unfavorable. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of November, we project that the QQQ will open at approximately 53 cents higher, starting at $486.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.